Hello and welcome. Who knows what device we might have used once to either check our order or get some other information about our activity on Amazon. So, if you want to keep your security of your account tight, you might want to consider logging out of the all devices of your Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can log out of all devices on Amazon. We're using mobile phone app of Amazon, so let's get started. It's pretty simple. Just launch your Amazon app. Now at the bottom section, you can see a profile avatar. Let's select it. We're going to want to navigate to your account. And here account settings says login and security. Let's select it. So in this page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see compromised account and start. So we're gonna want to click on start, and here it is saying that a code has been sent to our email address. So we want to paste the code from our email in this field, right? Submit code. So here we need to click on sign out everything. Once you do that, all the devices that has your account logged in will be signed out. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.